Oh, that's not a trout, right? Beck, killing it. Look at that.
Jeez. Give me some line. Yeah, that way, or you can only face it. Wow.
That's pretty.
Is that enough? Okay.
So that's a sea trout? What do you call it?
Yes, this is a spotted sea trout. And look at there. You left him in the water, guess what happened? He didn't get off, but look, he spit the hook as soon as he got.
Look at that. True.
Wow, okay. You ain't never gonna get the fish. Not with your mama back here.
The only reason I'm not catching anything is y'all keep doing it.
We gotta take pictures.
I can't get my.
Golly. Let me get him baited.
Yeah.
No. That trout,
As
I
long as
presume
he's
that
good.
trout's going home with you. I don't know.
Do you think you should? I don't know.
If you want to eat him, they're delicious.
They are delicious.
We have some.
And it's a good size of one?
That is a
We have
beauty.
something.
Yeah, but can we put them in the live well and think?
Yeah.
Okay. Good one, Beck.
One that-
Caught a Dalmatian.
That's one that if you don't want him, I'll take him.
So one of us is taking it.
Yeah, that is a, wow, that is a really nice fish. Okay.
I'm getting the hang
JC,
of it.
your ends, if you
Oh,
still
yeah.
have the,
Oh yeah.
oh,
you-
She's got a bigger one.
I'm fishing too.
okay, now this fish is going to require a little bit different approach.
Okay.
So you get a really good picture of him.
You got it. It's just slippery. That's
It's
all.
called touching. Look, feel of him. He's nice. He's trout are nice and slimy.
I don't want to catch one.
Nope. I don't know if I can.
You can do it. Yeah, you
Hold him
can.
right there.
Do you want to hold him, babe?
No, I want you to do it. I mean, I will, but you got it. You're on video being brave.
What?
You're on video being brave.
Being brave.
Just don't even think about it. Just,
If there was like, got a towel.
We got towels, don't we?
yeah, you'll wipe your
Now,
hand
hold-
off
hold-
on the
okay,
towel.
You're
Don't worry.
strong. Hold him out. No, not this way. Hold him
way?
out to the camera.
Okay.
It makes him look that much bigger.